Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Black+Decker Matrix. This is the 4 amp corded drill driver and it has the oscillating saw attachment. I love these Black+Decker products. As you can see from the packaging right here, they have so many different tools that you can snap in and out of your driver. It's really awesome. So today, I already own the cordless version of this drill, and I really wanted the oscillating attachment, as well as the ability to take all my other attachments that I have and have them have the corded base so I could use them for prolonged periods of time, because this is plugged in to the wall, so I have unlimited power, so to speak. But I will have to deal with the hassle of having a cord. So I wanted to have this corded unit as well to go along with the other one I have, and then this oscillating adapter I do not have yet, and do not have an oscillating saw. So as you can see here, they have a sawzall, an impact driver, a trim cutter, a router, a jigsaw, the oscillating saw, and a sander. This one actually happens to come with a couple other components, so I will turn around to the back of the box so you can see. I'm going to try to bring it a little closer to the camera. Up in the top, this is the most helpful thing that I could not find when I was doing my research online. What exactly did this come with when you buy the oscillating adapter? And you actually get some sandpaper, the sander quick attachment, a couple different little tools, looks like maybe an Allen wrench, and I don't know what those are exactly without opening it up, and then a blade for the oscillating saw as well to cut through metal or wood. So if we look at the box, I thought it said what type of sandpaper. Maybe I'm mistaken. But anyways, you can see on the back too, here's all the other attachments in action. So oscillating trim saw, impact driver, sander, jigsaw, all that. But instead of having the sander attachment, why not just buy this one and see if that's good enough with the oscillating saw? So really excited for that. Like I said, this picture up here, super duper helpful. Wish I could find that online and could not. So there it is. Hopefully that helps you too. That's what comes in this box, and we'll open it up and you can see as well. So this backside, nice packaging, just showing the specs, advertising how powerful the motor is, all that. It's nothing special. You definitely going to want the impact driver if you're going to use this for substantial stuff like this picture. You will not be using the drill itself unless you've pre-drilled your holes. I'd recommend that impact attachment. The impact attachment is the best money you'll ever spend. And I'll link it to this video as well too. You can check out all these on Amazon. But I love the impact driver, kind of breathed new life into this drill for me. Not that this head isn't, this is great for really light stuff if you're going to assemble maybe some IKEA furniture or something. But you really want that impact driver attachment to make this worthwhile. And then you'll probably escalate like I do, and then you'll be sick and tired of buying batteries that don't last forever, so you'll want this corded version. So here it is. Here's the packaging. They sell multiple kits like this. Some come with the trim saw and the impact driver and a bunch of other stuff. So just check those out. This is 4 amp again. We saw the back. There's the side, the back again, and the bottom. Looks like this specific model is the BDEDMT 0 or MTO. So really excited to open it up. So, right off the back, you see this quick connect system, 7 attachments sold separately with more coming soon. It's really neat. And if I can tip it up, there is everything that we get. So, first thing out of the box, all the stuff on the back that I couldn't find enough information online. So this is all the attachment gear for the oscillating saw. So it's a wood metal blade in millimeters and inches, which is cool, so you can know what the depth that you're cutting. Now on a side note, I got to look at the oscillating saw itself. I don't think this has its own maybe proprietary, or I know it's still universal in the store, but this is not the easy like Allen wrench mount where you just have the Allen wrench on it and zap it in. This is a no tool mount, which could be even better, but at the same time you may have a harder time tracking these down. I don't think I was super clear in my video, but this little kit right here is an adapter kit, so you don't have to use this quick connect blade style that only maybe Black+Decker, they might sell their own brand. But I have seen these in stores. But anyways, this is so you can use any oscillating tool accessory. You don't have to just use this special quick connect system that they have. Even though the quick connect system is really cool and you probably will end up using it, it's just so you can use any of the other manufacturers' out their stuff. So here's the kit. Let me go to the page really quick in the instructions. I actually didn't know this, so this is awesome that it comes with it. Here it is. So there's the adapter. You position it with the protrusions up on the unit itself. There's the unit. Protrusions up. Then put the blade you bought, so a third-party blade basically, and then this little guy right there in the Allen wrench, tighten it down and you're all good to go. So not only does it have its own quick connect system, right there, all those little guys, but you can use all the other standard options out there too. So that's really cool. Really excited. I was nervous when I bought it, that reading some of the Amazon reviews that you can only use this, but those people must have missed the fact that it comes with this adapter kit as well. So that's really awesome. Great job, Black+Decker. Thanks, guys. So here's that sanding head quick adapter, and again you can see these holes is how it slides in, is quick to use. So if we're trusting that says P60, P60, and what's this one? P240. So they probably gave us 240 and 60, which is good. So this is 240 is really fine. 60 is really coarse. So for some sanding, again, these are going to be in store too, but you may have to just make sure you find the right attachment as well, because it's not, I don't think this is the universal sanding head that you typically get when you buy like a $20 to $200 actual sander. So just make sure you're buying the right stuff when you're looking for replacements for these. We'll get those out of the way. Next, the drill itself. Really happy with this. Wow, it's really got a weight to it, which is really funny. It just feels like it weighs a lot more than the corded, or the cordless one, excuse me. And I'll show you that in a sec, but really happy with it. Doesn't look any different besides the base where it has this versus the other one. Still has the quick connect system. This should pop right off. There you go. Adjust it all the way up to 10, and then like the overdrive or the drilling. There's that quick connect feature. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Just goes right in there, pushes, and it snaps in. There's a cord. Maybe we can guesstimate how long it is. If I had to guess this cord length, somewhere between maybe 8 feet. Without getting up, I'm going to guess roughly at least 6 feet. It's definitely taller than I am. Taller than my wingspan. Well, maybe it's a 6 foot cord, maybe a little different. But that drill looks great, really cool. Really happy to have another one again, just to have this whole system with the cord now, so I can escape some of their battery stuff. Last but not least, the oscillating attachment. I'll link this in the video as well. If you already have the system and don't want the corded one, you don't have to buy the kit. I'll just link these all individually in my video description so you can check it out. So that's the oscillating adapter. Looks nice. Pretty lightweight actually. And we'll see the sort of instructions that come with it. So product registration, we'll just set that aside. Instruction manual for the drill, an instruction manual for the oscillating tool attachment. So after glancing at the instructions, you got this nice little lever here, and watch as I push it. See all those holes come up? I needed 2 hands and have it over my lap to do, but you just really depress this, and if you can see in there, the holes stick, and now it's all ready to go to make the cut for you. So you put it back on here, take this one out, and we'll gently slide this one in, as you can see. That's it. You have the oscillating adapter on there now, and you can go ahead and make your cuts and use the tool. So really, really happy with that. That's really cool. Now for comparison's sake, I also brought, I get this off, I also brought over my other exact same matrix drill just so you could maybe see the difference. But they're basically identical. This just feels a lot heavier than this one without, well, of course, this one without the battery. So kind of side by side. That's what they look like. Generally pretty same. This one's a little thinner right here, it looks like, but they got to house a little more stuff up in there. This adapter right here versus being up top. And then obviously a cord. So really neat, same system, same side. And then I also thought, we'll show you. I'll put it in this one too. And we'll actually fire it up so you can see it soft. And it seems pretty straightforward. I believe the faster you depress the trigger, the faster it cuts. So you kind of have a variable speed as well with it. So that's that adapter. We'll see. Maybe while I still got you on video, if I can get this off. Okay, it came off. Now we'll try to we'll see if I can get this in there. Now that's in. Same thing. We put in the one that works. And the sanding attachment works too. So really happy, really cool, really awesome set. Excited to get this going and using for the projects I have around my house. So really happy with this. Black+Decker makes some really cool products. I'll let you know in another video, a follow-up, how I really like all this and how it's held up as I finish my back deck and do some sanding on my house too. So really appreciate you guys watching this. And if I can get it, there you go, get it out. I'll post a link to all these items in my video description below. You can check them out at Amazon yourself, and let me know in the comments below if you have this set or what you've ordered and what your experience has been. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.